Okay, let's demonstrate it next. Installation and connection of accessories. Okay, let's look at this first. These two are fixed straps. This strap, it is mainly used with these two negative plates. This is a fixed negative electrode. When in use, it must be fixed with a strap to operate. Then use it with these two negative cables. Okay, let's demonstrate it here first. Negative line connection. Negative line. After opening this button, insert it like this and press the button down. This is how the assembly is completed. One red and one yellow negative wire.
在打开之后插上。
This is the fixed negative wire. Installation of connecting the negative wire. Then let's demonstrate it again. Installation on the strap. Okay, let's demonstrate here. The strap has two ends. Let's see, there are two sides. There is a black buckle here. You need to put it through. Then here is the magic sticker. This side is made of cotton magic stickers. The other side is pure cotton without magic stickers. This is how it looks like when you wear it. Go through the negative plate. Then pull it to the end. Then wrap it around when you tie it. Pull through the black buckle to the end. Then reverse. Reverse means going back to the direction you just came from. After that direction is reversed, you have to stagger this side with cotton. Offset means pressing downwards. Because this position is reserved for gluing later. Continue pressing. After pressing here, you can directly glue it on. Glue it like this. Just stick it to the side with cotton. Well, it is fixed in this way. Normally, we go to the clinic. You can do it like the way we just tied it. Then some customers will ask, why do we use this fixed negative electrode? Fixed negative electrode. Generally, it is used when the client is doing some rehabilitation treatment. When it is inconvenient to take it, or when lying down, he needs to stand up, do a sports-based rehabilitation treatment. We can use this negative electrode fixed on the part to operate. So when the abdominal muscles are used, it depends on the client. What kind of treatment method he needs. Use the corresponding negative electrode. Next, let's look at the negative electrode. In addition to the fixed negative electrode, and the largest one, this stainless steel negative plate, this abdominal muscle board, it can only be used when lying in bed, operation on the back, or operation on the legs. The patient must lie in bed, or when sitting somewhere. Press down on large negative plate to operate. This negative plate is operability. It is not like the small negative plate. Fix the negative plate. There are many kinds how to operate. It is all sticky negative electrode. This is all sticky negative plate. It is through the adhesive backing it brings. It is sticky. It is used to stick to the human body for treatment. Its usability, it is relatively common. Because its operation method is very portable. Let's show you again. What does it look like inside? This is what it looks like before it is unpacked. After unpacking, it is a sticky negative electrode like this. This white piece is diamond-shaped film. After peeling it off, it can be used. This side has adhesive backing. It can stick to all parts. Of course, this is a consumable. Long-term use will cause its stickiness to fail. You will need to buy it later. It is generally recommended for single use by one person. This kind of sticky negative electrode, when not in use, also make sure it is sticky. we need to stick this diamond film back. Pay attention to this film. Try to use it no more than 3 times or twice, because this kind of adhesion to the human body, it will remove the stratum corneum on the human body or other things, and then the stickiness will weaken. At this time, you need to replace it with a new one when the stickiness is not enough, may cause burns or no energy. This is a silicone negative plate. This negative plate is optional. It is used less frequently. For this stainless steel and sticky negative electrode, the number of uses will be relatively small. But if the customer likes it, it can also be used for flexible operation. When using the silicone negative plate, it is recommended to adjust the energy appropriately. Don't set too high energy to work. It is good to remember, negative plates are usually, it is connected by the yellow interface. Because we have the negative port on the host, it is a yellow interface. Okay, let's continue. This is a 3-level facial handle, RF handle. Then it belongs to the multi-level RF head. Multi-level RF head. It is plugged into the black interface. So this is the black interface. This, it is also a 3-level multi-level RF head. This is also a black interface. This is an 8-level one, operating radio frequency head on the body. The same multi-level black interface. Then, it is a 3-level application. There are more areas such as the arms and neck of the body, and operations on the face. It is also a multi-level radio head in the black series. These handles, they share the same interface. When customers use different handles, they can only be replaced and used alternately. Because on the host, there is only one black interface. Okay, then let's look at the top. Here are some matching patches. A kind of sticky, like a band-aid. To match, it is used with a stainless steel probe. Here you can see it. How is it installed on the human body? It comes with a total of, there is a yellow line, connected 4 pieces. The red line on the stainless steel side is connected. 4 pieces are the main ones. We have a total of 5 pieces here. So pieces in a group, there are 2 connecting lines in total. This way, our operation is easier to understand. The red one is plugged into the red interface. The yellow one is plugged into the negative interface. Use it this way, then come back. This is one of our CT arc probes. This curved probe, applied to the scalp for hair growth, or on the human body. Some relatively curved areas can be used, like the neck. Then choose. There is a bipolar private probe. We can apply microcurrent plus RF. Contract the vagina. It is to stimulate it. A DNA after giving birth. Genetic contraction recovery. Okay. Next is the black fissure knife. It also belongs to the optional series. The purpose of the black fissure knife, it can be used all over the body. Fissure knives have many forms, but their uses are the same. Usually red interface. Okay. Let's take a look at the following. This is a black extension cord. Because of the consideration of the customer, the scenarios he operates in are different. Maybe a longer cable is needed, so 2 cables are included as standard. Red and black extension cables. Here is the black extension cable. It needs to be matched. This is the multi-level handle. Its extension function is, for example, when the customer is using it, He finds that the handle line is not long enough. Multi-level handle the line is not long enough. At this time, the female plug of the extension cord is used, and the male plug is connected. At this time, this handle, the extension function is completed. The line is extended. Then, the male plug on the extension line is directly connected to the female plug on the host. You can start the operation. Then take a look at the red extension cable. Red extension cable. It is mainly used on this kind of handle. The same applies to these handles. It is to extend its cable. After the female and male plugs are connected, the male plug of the extension cord connect with the host. You can operate. Then let's talk about these three controllers. This one is our new one. It also belongs to us as probe, a point on the top. This probe, operations applied to muscles. There are many, and the pain points on the muscles. That is, this kind of painful operation. There are more applications, including our CT and RAT. This. On those old machines, all of them are available. This handle is used for human weight loss, clinical pain. The most, these two handles are very classic. RAT and CT. When assembling its probes, take a look here. Here are some of the probes that come with it. Two such probes have been added. Let's demonstrate it here. This probe. How is it assembled? Red is the corresponding stainless steel probe. CT is the corresponding black ceramic probe. Customers can distinguish them clearly in this way. Now we use this ceramic probe. Show how to assemble the two handles. All are installed by rotating. After screwing it on, it is done. The installation is now complete. Be sure to remember the CET mark at the back. It corresponds to the black ceramic probe. If it is red, it corresponds to the stainless steel probe. Okay, when the stainless steel probe is in use, it has a silicone plug on it. Take off the protective cover, then screw it back on. Then the assembly is complete. Then we connect the CET head. It is connected by the blue interface. The red head is connected by the red interface. Then, it is not divided here. Its application functions are different. It is based on the size of the head. On our human body, the parts where the operation is performed are different. Okay, let's take a look. Accessories in this area. First, the classic one. This 1-in-2 line. This line has a wide range of uses. That is, it has a lot of applications. Like the operation on the bracelet, dual red operation, or the operation on the double negative plate. Both can use this 1.2 wire. This line, it can also be connected according to the customer's configuration. To connect, we can demonstrate it here. Okay. For example, the machine needs to use CET and red handles. All CET and red handles have an alternate use button. You can splice the line into. Let me demonstrate here. 1-to-2 cable. It has two female plugs, one red and one yellow. If used alternately, two handles. The red wire can be connected to the red interface. Then connect the blue wire to the yellow port.